Every challenge begins the same way. The sound of an alarm, heavy eyes, and a body still carrying yesterday's miles. Day 4. I slowly open my eyes, already feeling the weight of the past 3 consecutive days on the bike. Every muscle reminds me of the journey. The fatigue is real, but so is the commitment. I get out of bed, one step at a time. The smell of freshly brewed coffee fills the room. It's my quiet moment before another long ride to High Life Meat Plant. As I hold my warm cup, I remind myself why I started this challenge, to prove that consistency is stronger than comfort. I finish my coffee, take a deep breath, and walk toward the door. Then everything changes. The moment I look outside, rain. Not just a light shower, but heavy rain pouring from the sky. The kind of rain that soaks everything in minutes. The kind that makes you stop and ask, how am I supposed to ride through this? For a few moments, I just stand there, watching the rain fall, disappointed, frustrated. Sometimes the hardest part of a challenge isn't the pain in your legs, it's accepting the things you cannot control. I wanted to keep the streak alive. I wanted to finish another ride. But today, nature had a different plan. After thinking it through, I decided to message my supervisor at High Life Meat Plant and ask for permission to be absent for the day. Thankfully, the request was approved. A wave of relief washed over me. At first, it felt like defeat. But maybe this wasn't giving up. Maybe this was my body asking for something it had already earned. Rest. 3 straight days of cycling had taken their toll, and today became a reminder that every challenge also needs recovery. Not every victory comes from pushing harder. Sometimes the strongest decision is knowing when to pause. Day 4 may not have ended with another bike ride, but it became part of the journey. Because this challenge isn't only about riding through sunshine, it's also about learning to accept setbacks, respecting limits, and preparing for the final push. Tomorrow is another day, another chance, another ride. And when the road calls again, I'll be ready. This is day 04 of 05. The rain may have stopped today's ride, but it will never stop the journey.
Ay, ulan pa rin. Grabe guys. Ito pa rin yung labas namin. Lakas ng ulan. Ang bike natin, basa na. Ay, basa yung upuan, may foam. Pagtay. So yan guys, ano na ngayon. So yan guys, dito nakapasok. Dahil nga, ito ulan. Lakas ang ulan. Ang ating day 4, si Mark Luway pumasok. May nasabayan siya. Yung bike natin, andun, basa. Day 4, basa ang ating bike. So, ayun, lakas ang ulan. So, ito yung ano natin dito ngayon. Pahinga muna tayo. Dahil nga hindi naman ganun ka ganda yung pakiramdam natin. Kaya, nag-PTO tayo, nag-PTO. Personal time off. Ganun tayo, bayad pa rin tayo, pero hanggang 4 lang yun. Kaya nagamit na natin yung isa. Dahil dito sa ulan na to. Yan, sana bukas din na ganito. Yan natin yung forecast. Yan, kumukulong-kulong pa. Yung bike natin, kawawa doon, naulan na. Diyos, labas tayo. Burn out. Nag-burn out sa loob. Dilim sa loob. Ba't may ganito? May mga bumbero. Oh. May mga bumbero guys. Ano kayo meron? Umuulan, tas ano? Ano to? Bumbero? O fire din siya. Fire. Ayun, may ayun sila dun. Ayun dun, may mga ano dun. Nasunog ba? Ha? Ano nangyari? Oh? Ito, sa patabi. Umalis na. Ano nangyari dito? Ha? Oh no! Ano naging problema? Uy! Tapos meron din dun. Ano kaya meron dito? Ano? Uy, nagkakapi-kapi ako dito ay ba't yan? Oh, nagkakapi-kapi ako eh. Kasi na, burn out. So di natin alam guys, nagkakapi lang tayo dito sa labas. Ba't may bumbero? Kaya pala siguro nag-burn out. Kawawa yung bike natin. Dito pa sa likod. Ako ang balita. Tingnan natin kung may mga usok o ano ba. Kabalita tayo guys. Ayun, ayun. Hindi ako natakot. Oh. Ayun o. Ayun pa. Oh. Ulan. Grabe ulan no. Yung tumitigil. Bukas kaya. Gagalaw ng mga ano. Oh. May nalaglag sigurong ano dyan, kahoy. dito. Ayan oh. Ayos sila. Nalaglag sa sanga ng kuryente. Ayun. Nagano pala sila ng kahoy. Kaya ayan. Kahit maulan. Sumabit sa kuryente. Kaya pala nag-brown out, sumabit sa kuryente. Ayan o, kaya gumagalaw-galaw yun o. Ayun, kahit maulan o, gawa sila ng gawa. Ayos ata nila yung ano dito. Dito eh. May nalaglag sa sanga. Ayun, naglagay na sanga sa may ano. Ayun, lakas ng ulan. Ayun, lakas ng ulan yun oh. Gawa sila ng gawa doon oh. Ayun oh. Grabe ulan. So yan guys, ito na nga ang resulta. Day 4 natin. Dito tayo sa labas, wala na, tumila ng ulan. Pero makulimlim pa rin, ewan ko lang bukas kung uulan. So ito, dito nakapasok. Naka-PTO tayo, nagamit natin yung ating kauna-unahang PTO. Dahil sa hindi natin nakumpleto ang ating 5 days na 1 week na bike papuntang trabaho. Kaya dahil nga sa ulan. So may masabayan naman pero hindi ko na rin pinilit, makapagpahinga na rin. So yan, hapon na. Day 4 natin ngayon na hapon, hindi tayo nakapasok. Si Mark Lloyd nakapasok dahil sumabay sa kila Ate Mayra. So yan, ito yung update natin. So sana hindi umulan din bukas at tuloy-tuloy ang pasok. So yun ang ating update sa day 4 sa ating 1 week challenge ng bike.